Hello guys, this is Nandi. Welcome back to Vibrant Authentic Living. Today is Sunday, January 31st. It's the last day in January 2021. And tomorrow I'm going to be embarking on an extended fast. I don't know how long the fast is going to last this time. I've been on all different kinds of fasts: dry fast, water fast, fruit juice fast, for different periods of time. 1 day, 3 days, 1 week, 21 days is the longest I've been, 21 days. So this time around, I really feel like I want to go beyond that. I'm going to see if I can push myself. I don't know if I'll be able to, so I'm just going to take it 1 day at a time, 1 week at a time, and see how it goes. But I feel like I really need that deep cleanse and that deep rest and that deep rejuvenation. I've been yearning for that for a very long time. And usually the extended fast, I do them around about my birthday, near to April. My birthday is April 18, so round about that time, that's when I usually do my extended fast. But I can just feel like at any point in the year, I can just feel like, I need to take a break from food. I need to get deep into myself. I need to reflect. I need to just fast, and I'll just do it. And I'm very gentle with myself, so I allow myself, I listen to my body. If I start the fast and I feel like I don't want to go any longer, I just stop. I don't push myself beyond that, generally speaking. Now, I had wanted to start this fast 2 weeks ago, but it just so happened it coincided with a very significant event, which was, one of my students, Treshawn Napier. He just turned 11 and he got back his results from his City and Guilds mathematics exam, which is normally done by grade 10 students. He's in grade 6 and he got a distinction. So I wanted to treat him, and I decided to take him out for a special meal. And so I was pushing back the fast until that happened, it was convenient for that to happen. So I did that and actually started the fast on the Monday. And I went the Monday, just water, and I think the Tuesday morning I went into the fridge and I was searching for something to make some juice for my children, and I saw a plantain tart that had been there. We had totally forgotten. I really love plantain tart, and just seeing the plantain tart is like it just triggered something in me, and I just had to eat it. But I said, you know what? Maybe this is a sign. And lo and behold, Treshawn's mom decided that she was gonna treat all of us, himself and me, and so. Yesterday was when she was able to do it. All of our schedules and everything coincided. So yesterday was a perfect day. So I got my treat last night and I fulled my tummy. So tomorrow, I really think that I want to get this thing started, get my extended fast on the road. Hopefully there are no more plantain tarts lurking in the fridge. But you know what? Even if there are, I think I'm just going to ignore them. Right? So usually before I begin my fast, I take my weight. I don't generally go around weighing, like some people that have the scale in the bathroom. I tried that a couple years ago, and me and that scale, we were just not getting along. Right? So I don't have a scale in my bathroom, but what I do whenever I'm going to start my fast, I'll go down to the doctor's office and get my official weight. So I weighed a couple days ago, and my weight is 174 pounds. I think that's the heaviest I've ever been. Most of my life I was skinny. Having my babies and so on, you know, I realized that I gained some weight over the years, but with the fasting and everything, and being a vegan who just eats a little bit of fish every now and again, pescatarian, right, but not much fish. Basically fruits, not even so much veggies. I'm a fruit person. I'm fruitarian in my thinking, that's my ideal. So, but my diet has not been ideal. So, even though I have lots and lots of fruits, a little fish, but I also have, you know, processed cereals, biscuits, that kind of thing, which to me is not healthy eating, but it's not meat or anything like that, but it's still not ideal. So I tend to gain weight off those things, the processed carbs, especially the beans and so on. I love soy products. I have a weakness for soy products, even though I don't have a good reaction to them. But you know, I'm gentle with myself and I know what my ideal is, and ultimately I will be eliminating those. So yeah, I'm at 174 pounds. Now, this is January 2021. We're roughly 1 year into the COVID-19 pandemic. So with all the stresses going around and shortages here and there, and people, you know, what right do I have weighing 174 pounds? The heaviest I've ever been in, you know, heaviest that I've ever been recorded as being. What right do I have in a pandemic to have this tummy? No right at all, so I need to get rid of it. I've decided, so whenever I fast and I do these videos on my fasting, I try to wear the same clothes every week when I do a follow-up. So I'm going to be wearing this same dress so we can see how I'm progressing. I'm not fasting to lose weight. It's a benefit of it, but it's not the main goal. My main goal for fasting, I just feel like I need to reset. I need to go back to factory settings, spiritually, physically, emotionally. I really just feel like I need to go inside and just eliminate the things that are probably hindering me from reconnecting to that, to Kamau, you know, to Nandi, my essence. I feel like I need to make that reconnect. But I know that weight loss is a benefit of fasting. And so why not reap that benefit as well? So I'm going to be wearing this dress for as long as the fast lasts, and I'm going to do a weekly update, and we'll see how we progress. You know, typically speaking, you know, because I eat so much fruit and try to get in my spring water, and I do my meditation, I do my affirmation, and so on. So you know, my skin is in good condition. My hair, I think my hair could be in better condition, so I'm going to look to see how that improves. But generally speaking, you know, I'm good. I'm good to go. But I just want to be the best Kamau that I can be, the best Nandi that I can be. And so I'm going to see, you know, how deep I can dig. How deep I can dig and get this done. So join me on this journey, this other journey. If you have not seen my first videos when I did my 10-day fast, you can go and check those videos out on the channel. My 10-day water fast. So this fast will be a water fast, spring water. I usually throw in a few days of dry fasting because I think that just, the dry fasting is just so much more powerful. So maybe 2 or 3 days dry fast every now and again, I'll throw those in. I also feel like tomorrow, for the first day, I'm going to use lime water. Lime water is very powerful in terms of cleansing, the astringent power of the lime, very good. So typically every morning when I wake up, I have a glass of water with a couple limes squeezed in, and you know, anywhere from 2, 3, 4, even 5 limes sometimes. Right? I just love the power of the lime, and that's the first thing I have in the mornings. Just let that run through my system. So I think for the first day tomorrow, since you know I still have food that I've eaten today and prior to today, things still needing to come out. So I'm just going to maybe have 3 glasses of lime water throughout the day. Maybe when I wake up, in the afternoon, and before I go to sleep, and perhaps when I wake up Tuesday morning as well. And then after that, it will just be spring water, and occasionally I'll throw in some dry fasting. So I'll just go the entire day with no water. Now this is something I've done many times before. So fasting for me, it does not create any kind of anxiety, no kind of withdrawal. I think I've passed that years ago. I'm pretty much used to it now. I can just snap right into it. And I carry on with my daily activities. Right now, well, I operate a school. We have been online since March last year because of the COVID-19 lockdown. We're still online. So I will be having my classes online just like normal. Everything that I do, I'll still be doing my laps in the morning, walking. Normally I do 10 laps around the field every morning. Typically takes me from 45 minutes to an hour. I'm still going to be doing that. When I am fasting, the laps take, you know, it's going to take a little longer, but I still do my 10 laps. I still go on any chores I have to do, any errands I have to run, just like normal. So, you know, maybe do them a little slower. If I'm rising, I'll do it a little slower. But everything else, same as normal. So just join me on the journey. If you have any comments, questions, leave them below and I'll share my experience if you want to share your experience as well. If you have not yet subscribed to Vibrant Authentic Living, please do so now and encourage others to subscribe to the channel. This is all about healthy lifestyle, getting in tune with yourself, meditation, fasting, positive thinking, all of those things. Alright, so I'll be doing weekly videos on this fast. Let's hope that I get to the first week without finding any plantain tarts. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for joining me.